The St. Mary Municipal Corporation is stepping up cleaning activities in the parish. It follows confirmation of at least one case of leptospirosis in the parish stemming from the passage of Hurricane Melissa. A team from the Municipal Corporation and the Public Health Department started the operation in Port Maria Sunday morning. Mayor of Port Maria, Fitzroy Wilson, said while the parish was spared from the worst impacts of the hurricane, they cannot take the leptospirosis cases lightly. As of November 26, 21 cases of leptospirosis were confirmed in the island, 3 before the hurricane and 18 in the aftermath.
We would have known or that there was confirmed cases of leptospirosis in St. Mary, and we want to be proactive and prevent further cases. So we're working closely with the health department to see how we can do that. And today is the beginning of such.
To get rid of bulky waste. The bulky waste are stuff that such as fridge, stove, etc. that is not lying on the ground, not in use, and those things based on what he's doing in terms of getting rid of or trying to get rid of the leptospirosis, these things would have stayed there and gather all sorts of stuff. So we're here to assist him in that form, and we have removed a lot so far.
Including some stars.
In stars, yes, including stars that were served with notice of removal for quite some time, so we would have removed all those also.